Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart in rotor glow metallic, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. This has all-wheel control and a twin-clutch transmission. It has unique styling touches on the interior as well as the exterior. Let's go take a closer look. Alright, moving into the Lancer Ralliart right here. This is the driver's side door panel. It has absolutely beautiful styling. Nice leather padding here for your arm to rest on. Storage down below with a cup holder. This has power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This also has a window lock. Move inside here. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. Is a tilt steering wheel too. Right here is where you turn on the headlamps, and you can turn on the fog lights. Driver's seat is manual adjustment, cloth seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Lancer. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. Open this up, there's a little storage compartment right here, and there is a 12-volt power outlet. This is the handbrake right here. It's very easy to use. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle. Up top here are reading lamps, which is also interior lighting. Handles up front that both you and your passenger can hold on to in case the ride gets a little bumpy. There's a directional air vent right here, which you can easily adjust, and you can turn off the traction control right there. Let's move on to the back seat area. Okay, moving into the back seat area right here. Nice place for an armrest, power window switch, storage down below. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. There is tons of footroom in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. Handles that your passengers can hold on to if the ride gets a little bumpy. Adjustable headrest in the back seats too. Fold down armrest here in the middle with 2 big cup holders. And there's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. And you can switch on and off the interior lamp here whenever you want. And the seats do fold down for you. Just press this button right here, and then that will allow you to fold down the seat. And it folds down just like that. Very nice. When all the seats are folded down, it gives you a lot more space to haul bigger things inside this Mitsubishi Lancer. And to fold it back up, it's just as easy. Just grab the seatbelt here, push it up, it locks back into place, and then put the seatbelt back to where it was. Easy peasy. This is where you put gasoline inside the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart. There's a beautiful big spoiler on the trunk that is color matching. Dual exhaust tips out the back. Nice badges on the trunk. On the key fob here, there is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. And there's a light that flashes to let you know if you unlocked or locked the car. Press this button twice. You can prop open the trunk so you can open it up like this. Now there's tons of space in the trunk for whatever you need. And down here there is a spare tire. Always handy to have a spare tire. Lots of space in the trunk, man. It's amazing. And you can easily close this back up just like that. Come to the other side here. This car is looking stunning. Of course, there's a nice place for an arm, power window switch, storage down below. Again, tons of foot room. Amazing. This side also comes down. You can just press the button up here and it comes right back down like that. And you can fold it back up very easily. Front passenger side here. Storage down below with a cup holder, power window switch, power locks. Nice leather padding, beautiful styling. Passenger seat is manual adjustment as well. And there's a lower glove box here, locking wheel nut key, some lug nuts, a manual, lots of space for many different things. And that's fantastic. And of course, there's a directional air vent right here. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart. And here is the key fob again. Using the key fob here, go over to the side and push it into the ignition. All you gotta do is turn it, and it starts right up. The tachometer, the speedometer, the LCD screen in the middle, it looks very good. And this Lancer Ralliart only has 63,082 kilometers on it. Not very much at all, so come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be yours. There's a nice Mitsubishi badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel. There's also paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel, so if you like switching gears yourself, you can easily do that by using the paddle shifters. Audio controls on the left side of the steering wheel, and Bluetooth controls down here. And using the info button on the left side right here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there is distance still empty on your tank of fuel. Press the info button again. You have your average liters per 100 kilometers. You always reset that just by holding the button here. Average vehicle speed, which you can reset by holding the button there. You have a AAA calculator, which you can reset by holding the info button. Trip B, which you can also reset. Service area, and back to your distance still empty. And if you open up any door on this Mitsubishi, I'll let you know which door on the car is opened. And there's an outside thermometer in the top right corner. You got your fuel gauge, the temperature gauge, the P means in park. And this does have all-wheel control. And using this button right here, you can choose whether you want gravel mode, snow mode, or tarmac mode. So you have tarmac, gravel, and snow. So depending on what you're driving on, you can adjust and optimize the Lancer to the conditions that you're driving in, which is really cool. And this also has a normal mode and a sport mode. By using this little knob right here, we can go through those modes. So right now we're in normal mode. I'm going to push the knob up, and we're in sport mode. Push it back down, it goes back into normal mode. Very cool. And right here is the automatic transmission. Got some nice leather padding on here. You have to pull this up if you want to put this in the drive like this. And you can also go up and down gears like that as well, which is really cool. Looks great. Down here there is a power outlet. Lots of storage space. This could be a cell phone holder. Climate controls right here. You can adjust the fan speed very easily. Set it to the exact temperature that you want. This also has air conditioning with max AC. That's the recirculate button here. You can turn that off and on. Air conditioning, which you can turn off and on. And this also has the auto feature, which allows the Lancer to adjust your climate control for you, and you can adjust where you want the air to go very easily. This button here will turn on the rear window defroster. Hazards right here. This will let you know if the passenger airbag is on or off, and this will let you know if the passenger seatbelt needs to be done up. There's directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust. Tons of visibility out the front window. In front of me is Crosstown Chrysler, looking very nice. Rear view mirror, looking very good. Fold down sun visors with convenient mirrors. And these are also breakaway. Sweet. Check out the reading lamps, very nice. You can turn on and off whether you want the lights to come on when the door is open or not, right there. Using this knob on the right side here, you can change the brightness, so you can have it as dim as you possibly can imagine, and then you can have it nice and bright. Here is the media center. Press the power button. I'll try the volume here. Great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely have a great time while you're driving this Mitsubishi. Sounds really good. Turn it back down just like this. You can just see it. It doesn't flicker like that in real life. That's just how it appears on camera, but you get the time there. It tells you what channel you're on, and when you're on like 107.1 right there as well. You have your presets right here, CD player. By using this button right here, you can toggle between Bluetooth audio, CD, and USB. Adjust your audio by using this button here. You can choose what type you want to listen to. You can change sound mode, adjust bass, mid-range, treble, fader, balance, all right there. It's a very easy system to use. And if I press the voice recognition button here,
link system ready.
Cancel. Using voice recognition, that will assist you in pairing your phone to the system, and once you get your phone connected, you can make hands-free phone calls. There's airbags built into the side pillars here. Of course, this has driver and passenger side airbags built into the seats, and more. Lots of safety built into this Mitsubishi Lancer. In the wintertime, you're going to love that the front seats are heated, and they both have a high setting and a low setting. So if you don't want too much heat, you can put on a low setting, but if you want lots of heat, you can put on the high setting. Heated seats are the bomb, keeps you nice and warm. It's the 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart in rotor glow metallic, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. This is an attractive 4-door sedan that is sporty, fun to drive, and you can drive it in all weather conditions thanks to its all-wheel control system. Come book a test drive at Crosstown Chrysler today. I'm Man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.